Hi everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. So what have you been up to? Wow. That's what I've been up to. Okay, I'm gonna link, oh hey, that would make a neat cowl. But, okay, I'm gonna link a couple of channels below, some videos. Dana from Wanderlust Crochet, hi Dana, she had put up a video to do with fiber arts and about kind of stepping out of our comfort zone and maybe doing some crochet that we've never done before, or we're a little leery or scared of trying, such as maybe, what are there, filet, mosaic, you know, there's some others. So I started thinking, you know, I thought I would not like squares, okay, because I thought they'd be tedious and honestly annoying. All those ends and putting them together and you know. So I've made a couple of squares, you know, big like this size. I think I've made 2 in my life. Well, I've only been crocheting for, I don't know, 11, 12 years or something now, but anyway, that's all I made. I didn't make a whole bunch to connect together until last week. All right, so everything just kind of fell into place. Okay, Dana had that video about going out of your comfort zone, so I thought of squares, and then boom, I see this video by Knit Crow Addict. Hi! She has some awesome tutorials if you guys don't know her. She's a wonderful designer. All right, so this video popped up for these little squares. And then you make the border and it's attached as you go. And I'm like, I've never tried that before because I've only made 2 squares, like I said, but they were at different times, and so I didn't have the 2 squares at the same time to connect together. I made one at a time, and they weren't even the same squares. Anyway, So she had asked below her video, would you like me to put up a tutorial about how to join as you go? I'm like, yes, please. And so, and some other people had said they wanted one too. So she put it up. You know, she had to work on it. It takes time, right? So she put that video up, and then, but before that, I want to tell you how I worked on this. She had the tutorial for the whole square, okay? So I made the two inner parts. I made those. I made one, and I made the square around it. And then I'm thinking, well, if it's join as you crochet or whatever it's called for the borders, I thought I better not put the borders on all of them. So I just made the little flower things. I'm calling them flowers in the middle. And then I waited for her to put up her join as you go video. And like I said, I know it takes time, you know, yeah, it takes time, so I wasn't in any hurry. And then I saw it pop up. I'm like, woohoo, okay, right on. So I shared it in a community post because it's such a really great demonstration. And so then I started doing that, crocheting a square, joining it. I had made a little drawing. I made 26 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so I wanted 9. I want, you know, 9 in a row, and then, you know, make 3 rows. So then I made the borders and attached them to the last one. Go and make the border around this one, attach it to the last one as you go along. And yeah, so what is it? What did I make? Well, let me tell you about the yarn. I used just some yarn I had kicking around from Hobie. It's their 8/4 cotton, just those little tiny skeins. So I used hardly any from each skein. And I used a 3mm hook. Yes, I did. And so what is it? Well, I think this would make a, you know, really cute cardigan. But am I making more squares? No, not at this point anyway. I went out of my comfort zone. I'm glad I did. Actually, making these little circles before I did the border, they worked out pretty quickly. I mean, once you catch on to how to make them, you know, you can make them, you know, throw them on the couch or whatever you do, and make, you know, maybe draw up a plan how many you want in a row or whatever you want to do. You can make them all. You can make a big square with all these little ones. You can do whatever you want. So I enjoyed that part of it, and then I got a little mixed up. I know you're supposed to put the back of your circle to the back of your finished border, and then crochet the border on the one facing you. And I did. I crocheted. I crocheted one backwards. I had to rip out, I think, 3 to get back to it. And I crocheted. I don't know how I did it, but it was like kind of wonky and twisted. Like I don't know how I did that. But anyway, yeah. So I think it's best to work on them on a table in front of you, not on the couch, trying to, you know, position your next one and make sure, you know, you're crocheting it. Let me see, I'll show it like this. Doing the border around it to connect to here, and then to connect, connect down here, and then connect up here, you know, because, yeah, when you pick them up, they're kind of like, oh, where was I? Anyway, yeah, that's just a tip. Do it on a table in front of you. It's much easier just to lay down your work and work on it from there, and it doesn't get all twisted. But that happened with me, and you know, maybe everybody else is more coordinated than I am. All right, so what is this? This is gonna be a doily. All I'm gonna do is, I am just going to move these off my stand. And see my yarn room? This is the only yarn room I have inside a box. I made that, by the way. So I'm just gonna put this right up here as a doily. Oh, cards are falling off. Christmas cards. Just put it, you know, as a doily right up here. Oh, let me just unhook you. So there, let's see. Oh, goodness. Okay, let me turn, hang on a second. All right, here we go. So it's just gonna be a doily. Just like that. What do you guys think? So if you guys make squares, or have you made squares like this, or any other kind of squares, and what have you made? Yeah, I think it looks nice there. So I hope you liked this little video that I put together. It was fun to make. I really like making videos for you guys. And I hope you enjoy it. If you did, please like and subscribe and comment and share. That would really help. Yeah, do that with all the YouTubers you watch. Just, you know, share them out, and like, comment if you want, and subscribe. All right, I really appreciate you guys. All right, I'll see you again soon. Bye.